Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Pretty Paper Club. It's hard to get out of my lips sometimes. I am doing some spring closet cleaning, so don't mind all my mess. I got clothes all over the place. We are in the middle of a nor'easter, so I'm just sitting down making some videos. Pretty Paper Club, it has my address in there, because I don't want to keep... is a monthly custom stationery subscription box. So they do have the regular box, which this is. It's the $20 box, but they do have... Okay, so that includes one set of stationery and then some accessories. The deluxe box, which is $40, includes one set of stationery and many accessories. So that's, you know, if you want a lot of accessories. This is, here, I'm going to show you guys inside. It's super cute. Like, see the little, like the little shamrocks and stuff? All right, so here it says, Pretty Paper Club. Actually, you're receiving a $20 custom stationery box. Enjoy. So that's what they told me. And that I didn't even see that before, but now I know for certain. Look at the little glitter. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. All right. Let's get in there. My cat was trying to like roost on this. I was like, no cat, not today. Ooh. It's personalized. It has my address. There are stickers on the back here that have my address on it. I'm not going to share that with you. So I'm guessing these are just cards. I'm going to, hold on, we'll open that. This is so exciting. So there are like, it's shamrocks in here. It's super cute shamrock stickers. How cute is that? All right, so this is our little, we are over the rainbow for your membership. Wishing you the luckiest month, Pretty Paper Club. Is this not adorable? Oh my gosh. What's up? Where are you at? Come here. Psst, 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 psst. Come on. Come on. Come here. Say hi. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here she comes. Oh, there she is. There's my kitty. All right. So, we have a pen. This is a Pilot Friction, and it's colors, and it's erasable. It's pink. All right. So I like this little guy. It's really cute. It's your yin yang. You can kind of see it way good from. All right. I am a magical erasable. Oh, that was on the pen. So we have BFF Julie said a note is not complete until you add confetti. I agree. So these are to and from stickers. And they have shamrocks. And then we have rainbows. And then it's, oh, I love these. Look, these little cards. So it says, this one says, be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. When it rains, look over a rainbow. Aww. Okay, so that's the same. You are a rainbow of possibilities. Chase rainbows. So there's only, those are mostly all different. There's two that have two doubles. All right, so let's see the cards. See I just love that they're personal. You guys know, we just talked about this. I was one of those kids. I could never get a personalized pencil, a personalized anything. Sophie, be a lady. I love you. All right, let's see what's in here. I know. She wants to leave, and the door's closed. She's like biting me. Little sticker-roni. All right, so here's the card. Ooh, are they pretty? How gorgeous. It's like a rainbow, but it's like a deconstructed rainbow. That's what we call a deconstructed rainbow. All right, so let's see the envelopes. I love this too. They're all different colors. You see? Ta-da! How cool is that? I love it. So if you're interested in Pretty Paper Club, check them out. I'll link to them below. Also, check out my full review. As always, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this video.